Thank you very much. Hello there and welcome back to Dr. Bill. I am Dr. Bill, Dollar Bill, and coming up today we have a very special guest. This is Miss Petty, or some of you will know her as Miss Petty Cash. As the name suggests, Miss Petty is an easily accessible amount of money kept in store of an organization for expenditure on smaller items. The amount of money kept on hand will vary from business to business according to the size and scope of their needs. There are 3 steps involved when dealing with Miss Petty Cash. Miss Petty, would you care to explain? Yes, you are correct. There are 3 crucial steps when dealing with a vulnerable girl like me, which all need to be completed in order to protect me and keep me safe. Firstly, I have to be established for each operation to begin business with me. This involves writing a check with a designated amount suitable for the needs of the business and having this cash under the care of a designated employee. This employee is known as the custodian, who is responsible for the care, expenditure, and recording of my account. Let's move on to step 2. I, Miss Petty Cash, am now used to pay for minor things required for the operations of the business. For example, money can be taken out of me for items such as pens, tissues, or folders to keep the business's documents in check. I hope you're still with me because we are on the way to our last step. As money is taken out of me, funds are decreasing, therefore must be replenished. At the end of every month or whatever time period specific for the business, what's left of me is counted and the business will write another check to bring me back to my original balance. To make things clearer for y'all, let's take a closer look at Donut Time. Donut Time at Central Park established their business and required a petty cash account to be opened. They began by writing a check of $100 on December 1st and assigned these funds to Britney Spears, i.e. the custodian. The following entry was recorded. On December 1st, petty cash was debited $100 and cash was credited $100. But look, there are no changes in the total number of assets in the Donut Time records because the business is still holding onto the cash, however, in a separate account. Once Miss Petty was established for this business, money was taken from the fund by the custodian Britney Spears for uses such as situations where they needed extra chocolate sprinkles or they had run out of baking paper to put the donuts on. Britney Spears would run to the market, purchase the necessary goods, and return with the change, the goods, and the receipt. This is the Petty Cash Replenishment Report, where the cash requested to replenish the fund and the total receipts both equal to 97. As you can see, we debit chocolate sprinkles expense, office supplies expense, and miscellaneous expense, and we credit cash for 97. This is to replenish the petty cash fund and record various expenses. That's all the time we have for today. Thank you very much for joining me.
Created using Powtoon.